10 signs and symptoms of iron deficiency. Iron deficiency occurs when your body doesn't have enough of the mineral iron. Your body needs iron to make hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that enables them to carry oxygen around the body. If your body doesn't have enough hemoglobin, your tissues and muscles won't get enough oxygen to be able to work effectively. This leads to a condition called anemia. Although there are different types of anemia, iron deficiency anemia is the most common worldwide. Here are 10 signs and symptoms of iron deficiency, starting with the most common. 1. Unusual tiredness. Fatigue is one of the most common symptoms of iron deficiency. This is due to less oxygen reaching body tissues, depriving them of energy. 2. Paleness. Paleness in areas such as the face, lower inner eyelids, or nails may be a sign of moderate or severe iron deficiency. This is caused by lower levels of hemoglobin, which gives blood its red color. 3. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath is a symptom of iron deficiency, since low hemoglobin levels mean the body isn't able to transport oxygen to muscles and tissues effectively. 4. Headaches and dizziness. Headaches and dizziness could be a sign of iron deficiency. The lack of hemoglobin may mean that not enough oxygen reaches the brain, possibly causing its blood vessels to swell and create pressure. 5. Heart palpitations. In cases of iron deficiency, the heart has to work extra hard to transport oxygen around the body. This can lead to irregular or fast heartbeats and even heart murmurs, an enlarged heart, or heart failure. 6. Dry and damaged hair and skin. Skin and hair may receive less oxygen from the blood during iron deficiency, causing them to become dry and damaged. In more severe cases, this may lead to hair loss. 7. Swelling and soreness of the tongue and mouth. A sore, swollen, or strangely smooth tongue can be a sign of iron deficiency anemia. Cracks on the corners of the mouth can also be a sign. 8. Restless legs. People with iron deficiency anemia have a higher chance of experiencing restless leg syndrome. This is a strong urge to move the legs when at rest. 9. Brittle or spoon-shaped fingernails. Brittle or spoon-shaped nails can be an indicator of more severe iron deficiency anemia. 10. Other potential signs. Other more generic signs of iron deficiency may include strange food cravings, feeling depressed, cold hands and feet, and an increased risk of infections. Iron deficiency anemia is the most common type of anemia worldwide. Some people have obvious symptoms, while others experience none at all. This often depends on the severity of the anemia. Common signs and symptoms include tiredness, pale skin, feeling short of breath, and dry and damaged hair and skin. If you think you have symptoms of iron deficiency, talk to your doctor. Self-diagnosing is not recommended. Most forms of iron deficiency can be treated fairly easily, usually through an iron-rich diet or iron supplements, if your doctor recommends them.